If you're a MacBook Air user and you love listening to music, not having Spotify on your device could be a real bummer. But don't stress, I got some easy steps that's going to help you to get Spotify on MacBook Air. So first, you're going to open the App Store on your MacBook Air. Search for Spotify and click the first result, then click the Get button to download it. Second, you can also visit the official Spotify website. So you go to the download page and click the Download for Mac button. Third, once downloaded, open the file and follow the instructions to install Spotify on your MacBook Air. Fourth, after installing, open Spotify and log in with your account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create one. Lastly, if you prefer, you can use Spotify web player directly from your browser. And just visit the Spotify website and log in. So now you can enjoy your favorite music anytime. And if this video helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. Love you. Thanks for staying. Ciao.